Hi, I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2012 Toyota Highlander 3.5 liter automatic. I'm going to be showing you how to reset the maintenance light. Okay, so I'm going to turn the ignition on 2 clicks to the on position. Now the trip button is right here where the speedometer is. I'm going to be pushing the trip to trip A. So now I'm going to turn the ignition off, and then I'm going to be pushing the trip button and at the same time turn the ignition on 2 clicks. So that's how you reset a maintenance light. If you like my videos, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Aloha.